Hey everyone, if Opera GX update is failing, stuck on checking for updates, or showing an error during update, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get Opera GX updated successfully. First, close Opera GX completely and reopen it. Temporary glitches can stop the update process from working properly. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, a weak or unstable network can interrupt updates. Try running Opera GX as an administrator. I mean, missing permissions can block update installation. Check your storage space, so low disk space can stop updates from downloading or installing. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Yeah, it can interfere with update servers. Sometimes antivirus software blocks update files. Temporarily disabling it may help complete the update. Corrupted cache can interrupt updates. I mean, clearing temporary browser data can fix update issues. If updates still fail, download the latest Opera GX installer manually, so reinstalling often fixes broken update components. Close unnecessary background apps. Yeah, they can interfere with update installation. Make sure your Windows system is up to date. Outdated system files can cause update conflicts. If nothing works, reinstall Opera GX. I mean, a fresh install can fix corrupted update files. If the issue still continues, contact Opera GX support. They can help diagnose deeper update or system issues, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Opera GX update failed issues and get your browser fully updated again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.